And where do you get them from? There?
And you gotta do it all. And then you get to the phantoms.
After you're done talking to Cosmo and after you're done watering the plants, you do. Go to the phantoms.
You gotta go to the phantoms whenever you're done doing all watering the plants.
And getting the plants for him, right?
Yeah.
And there's Cosmo.
He's a polar bear.
He's not a polar bear. He's a koala.
Koala.
Not a koala, a koala.
Now we almost need.
You have to go in the house.
And now we need is this here. No, this.
Yeah, you need that. And you get that, honey, and bring it back to Cosmo, right, Chloe?
Yeah. Now let's go to Cosmo. Get it to Cosmo.
And then you go in his house, right?
Yeah. Go to him in his house. And now, which one you picked, you gotta get it.
And see, that's what you do. This is only for if you're new on Animal Jam and you don't know how to do the adventure, or if you just want to watch it anyways, you can watch it.
Yeah.
Where's Greedly? Oops. And there's the wolf. Well, Chloe's wolf, my sister. Mine's an Arctic wolf.
Yep. And that's what you're supposed to do on this adventure.
And then you go back in the house.
Yep. You go back in the house.
Well, see, look, it says, it doesn't say go back in the house, but.
And now you gotta get a leaf to give it to Cosmo. A tiger right here. Right there. Now give it to Cosmo. We're almost done. We need more plants. Now we just need is all plants.
You need the purple one, not that one. The grapes.
Here we go, and here's the grapes.
And it says you have to describe it to, like, know what
And
plant.
give it?
It tells you what color it is, and you gotta guess what plant it is. Okay, next you gotta get a, what's it called? I forgot. Corn, yeah, corn. That's not corn.
No.
Corn's not over there.
We gotta get all this corn.
It's the big one.
But now we gotta get corn.
Yep.
My
Then bring it
favorite.
Corn's not your favorite. Grape's your favorite, Chloe.
Then why is this I'm holding? This is my favorite.
Maybe your
Right.
animal think it's your favorite, but
All the grapes and the big one is my favorite.
and then next bring a plump red fruit. Oh, I know where that is. You gotta go up. Wait, no, down, that way. Go that way. Keep on going. See? Here you got one.
I need to do it again so I can get two. See, remember I had two on the other one? Ugh, this adventure is boring.
It's not. Sometimes it's right there. Go up. Up. Chloe, it's right there.
That's what I'm trying to press.
My little finger was black. And you get it, and bring it back to Cosmo, and I think this is the last one.
Well, it's not.
Yep, it is the last one. And get one of them. We're not going to do the whole adventure, but we'll show you some. Well, you don't get two, but close enough. When we're done leveling up, see, she's close to leveling up.
The grass?
See the phantoms. Stay away from them. Ow. Well, you don't take as much as Chloe does, but just take one. She has one more left.
Now what do
And
I
now
do?
she has to get more.
But how would I?
No. You want to hold this?
No. I got all of them.
Well, you don't need them all.
Yeah, so I can kill the phantom.
You only need 3.
That's much.
3.
Yes. Well, I do like this one. But I'll get the key. Not at this adventure.
I think there is a key. Okay, well, this one's hard. I'm going to help my sister, Chloe. You got to hold this while I help you do the bird thing. Hold it up like this. Oh, look. Leopards. Hold it up. Here, I'll help you. Hold it. I just run for it. I'm too bored to do all that stuff. So, ready?
I can't hold it.
Okay. There we go. Then you go up the ladder. Well, not the ladder, but then she has to get more of them. No, you don't need them all, Chloe.
Oh yeah,
Because you need to get more. See? She does that. She goes in. Well, I would get more if I was her. But she chooses whatever she wants. Whoa.
I thought you were going to hell.
I'm helping.
You seen that phantom? Yeah. Phantoms are not awesome. Phantoms are ugly. There's 2 phantoms. Well, I'm gonna get the key. I got it.
And she gets the key. She really likes to get the keys because if someone else gets it, she's sad or something. So
I can't go.
I usually get the key sometimes because she waits too long. Don't you, Chloe? You're going the wrong way.
I'm going fast. That's what I'm doing.
And then you go back up and open that. See? And you go out.
Arctic. It's like me. Me. It's me. But it didn't
Okay.
need a plant.
This video's long. See how much she has left. Okay, she's almost done leveling up. She's almost there. But
Oh, what the heck?
I said it weird. She's almost there.
I gotta stay so I won't die.
And plus, right there, it's a person dancing. Here, let me fix it.